only a part of all of those who've been a part and who've played in the album, that this came at such a right time because, to be really outspoken, we didn't have anything to do earlier this year, and but we were presented with this beautiful opportunity to create, something that personally Ravi and I been wanting to do for a very long time now, and I considered it a privilege to work with Ravi because he's one of the best musicians I've ever come across. And I would say the same exact thing about everyone on stage. Bharat, Ashwath, Sai, Ravi, we all go way back. We've performed a few hundred concerts together, and we're also really, really thick friends off stage. Sai, who's been a really, really important feature in the album, he's played the violin, and he's also arranged string sections for a lot of the songs, and especially I'd like to talk about the Passurams, which form part of Volume 1, where, like Adhyana mentioned, Amalanathipiran has never been tuned musically or tuned to a tune. So I think this is the first time Soundcrate has brought that out, and I think that's the kind of work Soundcrate is going to capitalize on, bringing out unique stuff and bringing out first of its kind and one of a kind work. And we would really, work better and get better with more and more projects. We have a small concert, as you see, we're just going to set up. We have a small something for you. We're going to play a few songs, maybe even give you a sneak peek into one of the Passurams that's featured in the album. There's also a very special Murugan song that Aditya Anna wanted me to mention for all the Murugan devotees and lovers here. We also have Christopher Guruswamy, who's a fantastic dancer who's going to be following us. And the best part about all of this is Chris is going to be dancing for Amalanathipiran, a few verses from Amalanathipiran. So that gives us so much happiness and excitement, because it's one thing to make music and see it come out, but totally another thing to see someone, have his or her own adaptation. In this case, Chris's way of expressing Amalanathipiran in his own fantastic way.
I have to also mention that I gave Chris exactly 10 days notice to bring it out.
I'm sure Chris can do it in 10 minutes, so there's no doubt there. I can't wait to see him dance, so that's that. Off the top, that's all I could think. I really, really thank Aditya Anna for the opportunity. I really consider this as an opportunity. I'm sure everyone does. More importantly, this wasn't just a project. This wasn't just about getting something done for someone. This wasn't just that. This was much more deeper than that. Because it was something that all of us love doing, and we would do all day, every day, all year. And all of us are professionals that you see. All of us make a living out of this. So when he approached us to make an album, to make music, that was the best thing someone could ask me. So thank you, Aditya Anna, for that.